Okay, hello. I'm gonna show you what I need you to do for me. This is gonna be a big project. We'll try to just go one color at a time. These are oil pastels, and they're like fancy crayons. And unfortunately, when they bump up against other oil pastels, other colors kind of rub up against them, and they get a little dirty. So I'm gonna have you work on just one color at a time, and you can grab a bunch of these chunks and the chunks that still have the paper on it, you can remove the paper, any little bits of color, like you can really see it on this one, obviously. If you just do that on scratch paper, it cleans the pastel. Okay, so I'd like for you to just make sure that they are clean, because what I'll do is just accumulate them in a little cup. What I'll do eventually is I'll take all these chunks and I'll actually re-melt them and pour them into this mold so that we can reform nice sticks out of these, okay? So you'll probably have to go through a lot of scratch paper in order to clean these, and it is a big undertaking. But this is what I need, okay? So thank you.